Junk seller, third class in the series of junk seller. In the last two classes, we discussed about the multiplication and the introduction of the topic is done. As I said in the introduction, in the junk seller, the poor lady Kiran, she took bank loan to run the junk seller shop. And this is also known to us that Kiran's husband used to run a small tea shop. Today we are going to discuss NCERT textbook problems based on this bank and tea stall on other problems. One PPT is shared here. If you look at the first question, Hariya and Babu want to buy a handcraft for rupees 300. Hariya took loan from bank for 6 months duration, paying 51 rupees every month. Bank has given 300 rupees loan to him and he was asked to pay monthly 51 rupees EMI. Monthly 51 he has to pay for 6 months. Then the loan gets over. Babu, instead of going to the bank, he went to a private financer, Chunilal, and he took 300 rupees for him. After 6 months, he paid 360 rupees. Now you have to check how much Hariya paid in 6 months. Did Babu repaid more or Hariya repaid more? This is the first question. Okay, start writing the first question. The solution of the question is there in the next, but let us try on our own, then let us see. Start writing the question in the classwork itself. Bank problem, first question. There are two questions included here. Explanation, everything is there. Write properly, slowly. Anyhow, the PDF of this I will send. With the solutions I will send, nothing to worry. Don't ask again and again. I will send the PDF to you after the class. Now copy the question. Don't take tension, copy the question. Try to solve the answer. Try to get the answer. If not, I will give the answer for you. Okay. Hariya and Babu want to buy a handcraft for rupees 300. Hariya took loan from bank for 6 months duration, paying 51 rupees every month. Where Babu took the amount, but he is paying 360 after 6 months. You have to find how much did Hariya paid in 6 months. Take the question properly. The PDF.
Sir, 306, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we should write. Sir, we should write this.
That's what I'm telling. Write the question.
What is the question, sir?
This is the question here, no? Question is there on the screen.
Sir, solution. Sir, send, sir.
I will send the PDF of this. I have told you. I will send the questions and answers after the class. Sir. But you try to write and try to get it.
Answers also, sir.
That's what I am telling. I will send everything. Don't ask again and again.
Sir, answer is 306, sir.
306 rupees is the correct answer.
Sir, what is this page? We should write that all.
Yes. You have to write everything, whatever is there on the screen. Don't ask again and again. How much did Hariya pay in 6 months?
రోజు ప్రవీణ్ బాబు 100 రూపీస్ తింటారా అంటారు
Mute yourself.
రోజు డైలీ ఈరోజు నిన్న తినలేడంట ఆయన 100 మనకు 140 ఆయన మీకు కూడా మా చెల్లెకు 150 రూపీస్ వాళ్ళ మీద పెట్టిన
Nagasri, mute yourself. Why you are shouting there?
రిజెంట్ సేలర్
How much did Hariya paid for 6 months? Monthly he is paying 51 rupees. Monthly 51 rupees. For 6 months, 51 into 6. Small multiplication, do it carefully. 6,
సార్ 150 సార్
6 5 is 30, 306.
153 సార్ చెప్పు హలో సార్ సైడ్ ప్లీజ్
How much Hariya paid in 6 months? Who paid more, Babu or Hariya? Solution is here.
Sir, show question only, sir. 1 minute, sir. Only 1 minute. Please, sir. Please, sir. Show only question, sir. Please.
It is there. Why you are shouting?
No, sir. It's answer.
Look at there.
Okay, sir,
question is
thank
there. Answer I wrote on the board. Hariya paid 51 rupees per month. 1 month he paid 51 rupees. For 6 months means multiplication. 51 into 6. 6 1 is 6. 6 5 is 30. Simple direct multiplication.
153.
How 153? What you are telling is wrong. You are doing the wrong multiplication. Done.
Sir, show answer, sir.
There on the board. Check the board.
Sir, I cannot check the board, sir.
Why?
Because your network problem is there, sir. That's why. Thank you, sir. Sir, can you show the question? I will take the screenshot.
Huh?
Can you show the first one? I will take the screenshot of that.
I will send the question after the class. Everything I will send. Okay.
Sir, second question.
Wait.
No, sir, wait, sir.
Hariya paid only 306, whereas Babu paid 360. So which is more? 360 is more. So Babu paid more. How much means? The subtraction will give the answer. Who paid more? Babu paid more amount. So instead of going to the private people, you can take the loan from the bank where you need to pay less.
Sir, show answer only, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute, sir. Only 1 minute, sir. Only 1 minute, sir. Please, sir. Please.
Can you
Completed? As we discussed on the very first day, Kiran's husband used to run a tea stall. I don't know how many of you have an experience of going for a tea stall and taking tea. Generally, kids don't prefer tea. If you have gone with your friends or with your parents or brother, if you have observed the tea stall, they will give tea in small cups, cost 5 rupees, 10 rupees, little like that. So if you have seen a tea stall, fine. Otherwise, there is a picture of tea stall. Tea stall, a small tea stall is here. Kiran's husband used to run a tea stall. Okay. Now there are some simple questions. There are some simple questions on the tea stall. Look at the first question. A person who runs a tea stall earns rupees 30 in a day. Whole day, he is going to get a profit of 30 rupees. One day he will get 30 rupees. How much he will earn in 10 days, 20 days, and 1 month? 3 questions are here. Okay. Are you able to do this or shall I help you?
Sir, 300 is the answer, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Keep doing. One day he will earn 30 rupees. How much he will earn in 10 days? Write the question. Of course, answers also here. First,
Sir,
write the
show
question.
question only, sir. Please, sir.
First,
Wait,
write the
sir.
question. Write the question.
Please, sir. Please, sir. First show question, sir. Please, sir. Thank you, sir. 1
Question is
minute,
there.
sir.
Question is there. Who is that shouting always? Please, sir. Please, sir. What is that? Question is there. Look at the screen, then talk. Don't shout. Bank problem is completed. Now problems based on tea stall. Simple questions, very easy questions. As I said many number of times in this chapter, we are going to learn multiplications. Whole chapter based on multiplications.
Month ku 900. Day ku 300. Do be 20 days
yourself.
ku 600.
The answer is 10 days, sir.
month में एक मंथ में 900 है, 1 मंथ आंसर सब भी मालूम हो गया, बहुत इजी।
One day his earning is 30 rupees. What is the earning for 10 days?
60.
Sir, answer, sir.
60.
Sir, answer, sir.
Answers, try. Don't copy the answers. You have to try.
Sir, 600 is the answer, sir.
Correct. For a month means generally we take 30 days.
Sir, 900, sir.
Sir, show answer, sir, please.
One day his earning is 30 rupees. Then what about his earnings for 10 days, 20 days, and 30 days? Answers are on the screen and also on the board. There is no competition here. Slowly copy the answers. Those who completed, keep quiet. Don't shout that completed. Don't disturb the class. Those who completed, fine, good. Thirty into 10. 30 into 20. 0, 0 will be there. 3, 2 just 6. 0, 0, 3, 3 just 9. Like that, we will get the answers. This is first question on T stop. One more question is there yet to come. Complete this, all of you, then we will go to the second question on T stop.
Sir, completed. No, sir. What happens? Sir, what happened?
What now? What you are asking?
Sir, they are asking what happened, sir. Sir, show answer on sir, please. Please, sir, please, sir. Sir, answer. Sir, answer, sir.
Answer is there on the board.
Sir, we cannot see board, sir. That's why.
What happened? Why can't you see?
Here, network problem is there, sir.
Answers you had to do on your own. Multiply, you had to do. Answers you have to do. You should not depend on me. Simple 30 into 10. Simple multiplication. Make it fast.
Sir, over, sir. Next one, sir.
Completed?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is second answer.
Second question. Second question.
Yeah, sir.
The cost of a cup of tea, 1 cup tea is 5 rupees. See, this is the cup, tea cup. 1 tea cup cost is 5 rupees. What is the cost of 4 such tea cups? 10 cups, 6 cups. It's very easy.
Sir,
You have to
20 is the
understand
answer,
the
sir.
question and do it.
Four cups is 20 rupees, sir.
Very
Four
good.
cups is 20 rupees.
Very good. Very good.
Sir, 4 cups 20 rupees, sir. 4 cups is 20
10
rupees.
Sir, 10 cups is 50 rupees, sir.
50 rupees, sir.
10 cups are 50 rupees, sir.
10 cups 15 rupees.
50 rupees, sir. 10 cups.
50, correct. 50 rupees is correct.
Sir, 6 cups, 30 rupees.
Correct. Very good. Very good.
4 cups, 20 rupees, sir. 4 cups.
25 rupees, sir.
Copy it. Right. 1 cup 5 rupees. What is the cost of 4 tea cups? 10 tea cups. 6 tea cups. Somebody house tea. TV is running.
Answer sir,
Yes.
in answer one, at tea still the cost of a cup is rupees 5. What is the cost of 4 cups? We should try.
Yes.
We should write question and answer.
Yes, you have to write both question and answers.
Sir, now we wrote question, no sir. Now also we wrote this one.
Not necessary. Only answer you have to write. Somebody else TV is running. Mute them. Who is that? Saifullah.
Yeah.
Somebody else TV is running. Please mute.
Yes. Okay.
Go now.
Please mute yourself.
Sir, we can go to next question.
Wait.
No, sir, wait, sir.
Sir, please tell me next question, sir.
Wait.
No, sir, wait, sir.
Over, sir. Next question, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
No, sir,
Stop
wait,
shouting.
2 minutes only.
Sir, can you send me the PDF?
Stop shouting, otherwise you will be all mute. Now, look at the next question. These are the currencies presently in use in our country. 50 paise still in use, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, and 10 rupees. These are the coins. What about the currency notes? 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupees, 500 and 2000 also presently in use in our country. Old currency. Earlier, you may not be knowing about this, your parents may be knowing, or if not, your grandparents may be knowing. 1 paisa, 2 paisa used to have in the circulation in the olden days, not now. 1 paisa used to be there, 2 paisa, 5 paisa, 10 paisa, 20 paisa, 25 paisa, all used to be there in the circulation in the olden days. Okay. 1 rupee. 1 rupee means 100 pice. 1 rupee means 100 pice. If there are 425 pice, what happens? 425 pice. 425 pice coins. 25 pice into 4, that will be 100 pice. That will be 1 rupee. First question. 425 pice coins equal to how many rupees? 425 pice coins equal to how many rupees? 25 pice into 4. 25 into 4, 100 pice. 100 pice means 1 rupee. 1 rupee. ₹5 note. ₹5 means 5 rupees. So 1 rupee 5 will become 5 rupees. Now, these are the problems. Five notes of rupees 10. 5 notes of rupees 100. 5 notes of rupees 100. Five notes of rupees 100. 100 rupee notes, 5 are there. So 5 into 100, that will become 500. Now try to answer these questions. That's for today's class. So first answer completed here. What is the second answer? May I know the second answer? You can unmute yourself and give the answer.
60, sir.
Correct.
60, sir.
Correct, ma'am. 5 rupee notes, 12. So 12 5 ja. If you are good at tables, if you know the tables, you can give the answer.
Sir, third one, 100, sir.
Sir, second one, 17, sir.
Try on your own. If not getting answers are there, you can check.
Sir, show answer one. Answer, sir.
Try answers, you have to try. If not getting, then only try.
Sir.
Sir, fourth question is 750 is the answer, sir.
Sir.
Don't shout. Answers I am doing on the board. You try on your own, then check with the answer. If you got the same answer, fine, keep quiet. If different answer you got, then you can ask me or you can cross check. Don't shout, don't disturb the class. Six notes of rupees 1000. 1000 rupee notes, 6 are there. So 6 into 1000, that will be rupees 6000. Today, whatever we did problems, all are on multiplications. You might have seen they are very easy multiplications.
Sir, I am finished the answers and questions. Sir.
Okay, then keep quiet.
Correct only came, sir. Sir, I did correct only.
Okay, keep quiet. I have told you no. When you did, then keep quiet. No need to tell, no need to shout. You check the answers. If you got the same answers, good. Keep quiet.
Sir, I can't see the screen, sir. No, sir, over, sir. The next one, sir.
No, that is the last question. This is the last question for today's class. In the next class, we will try to complete the chapter.
Okay, sir. Sir, I also finished, sir. The time also over, sir.
Okay. Huh?
Sir, Priyavantika.
I have told you stop talking, keep quiet. Why you are keep on shouting? You completed, fine. Then keep quiet. As I said it, please practice tables 1 to 20 tables you have to learn. All should learn 1 to 20 tables without fail. Learn tables. And in the last class, multiplication by splitting method is given. You have to practice that also. Multiplication by direct method also we have to learn. Next class, we will try to complete this chapter. It's very important, lengthy chapter. Almost 3 classes we spent. One more class is required, I think. Hopefully, next class, we will try to complete this. Whatever is taught today, I will try to send the PDF of this, including questions and answers. Those who are not able to copy this in the class, they can copy. Okay. And fourth year students, I have told you to send your drawings or songs or speech related to Teachers' Day. This is a respect you are going to show towards your teachers. Yesterday was the last date, but I got only one Aditya Pawan speech only I got. Others not at all responded. This is the chance where you can show your respect thanks to your teachers. So do some painting, some poem, some song, some speech, something.
Sir, can I send?
Fourth year, I'm talking about fourth year students. As a class teacher, I'm asking about fourth year students. So fourth year students, by end of the day today, please respond and send as maximum as possible. This is the respect you are giving to your teachers. If you want to say thanks to a teacher, then do something, a speech.
Sir,
or a
can I
painting.
send today because yesterday I went out.
Okay, by that is what I'm telling. But today evening, please try to send a speech or poem, song, painting, something in the form of saying thanks to a teacher. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's for today's class. That's all for today's class. See you in the next class.
Bye,
I'm
sir.
going to send the PDF of this. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.